Okay, we're here at Fossil Creek. It's a beautiful spot, deep in the canyon, as you can see.
All right, today we're gonna head out to the famous Fossil Creek and go check out this place and see what it's got to offer us. If you're traveling there between April 1st and October 1st, you're gonna need a permit. The permit area has certain pull-offs where you can swim and explore, but staying within those regions. It's about an hour dirt road before you even get down to the water, to the creek, but it's amazing.
Let's go check this place out.
Depending on the availability of parking, you might have to park down the road and walk in a little ways because the waterfall's at the very end. Dixon Lewis is the last stop, but it's usually full during the summer. So when you make your way down to the creek, there's plenty of swimming as you're walking along the trail and finding a place that's deep enough where you can get in and cool off.
Okay, we're here at Fossil Creek. It's a beautiful spot, deep in the canyon, as you can see. Far up on the vista. Right now, we're gonna jump in the water and see how it feels.
So when you come out to Fossil Creek, you're definitely going to want to have some water shoes and even bring your goggles because this underwater world is amazing and we just had such a blast relaxing and seeing all the fish swimming around and playing around in the currents that are pushing you like a lazy river. It feels so beautiful.
This is my first time here, and we swam with so many fish.
The overall beauty of this location is just so awe-inspiring, and so while you're walking along the path, you'll come across many different terracing waterfalls, even some beautiful wildflowers, and some debris that's fallen over the trail that makes it really interesting and maneuver through this high desert, beautiful forest. There is a little bit of scaling rocks as we're going up, so that's why you do want to make sure you have the proper footwear that can get wet and can also hike. So we use Chacos. We love Chacos and we use them all the time when we're here. And like I said before, there are plenty of swim spots along this trail. Look at this beautiful location. Deep water, you can play, you can jump in, and this isn't even the main waterfall yet. Play in the bubbles, that's why it's beautiful having the goggles on. Getting a little workout, swimming around, cooling off, because it is 110 down here in the summer. It is only 2,000 foot elevation, so even though you drive up to Verde Valley, it is hot down in this canyon. So you do want to be able to jump in once in a while and cool off. Even bring a little packed lunch, hang out. You're going to be here for a full day if it takes you this long to get out there. There is no camping along Fossil Creek, but you can spend the whole day out there swimming, hanging out with the family, having a picnic, and there's just so many cool locations. Even when it's busy, you can even find a little secret spot, a little cove to hang out in and just be with the family and chill out and have a beautiful day. Okay, this is the moment you've been waiting for, the main 2020 waterfall. This location is the big pool, deep pool. There's even a cave behind the waterfall where you can swim up and go behind the cave. Once you're behind the cave, you can dive through the waterfall into a deep pool, about 20 feet deep. Swim around, even people jump off. I do not recommend jumping off the cliff, just use this as a friendly swimming pool, and we use this as a relaxing spot. We try not to go too wild and jump on things because this is a preserve, and there's many different types of fish, wildlife, deer even I've seen down in here. So we're trying to keep this as pure as possible, but also enjoying it and swimming in it and cooling off during the hot summer. Picking up all your trash and disposing of everything, taking out anything you bring in, leave no trace. So this beautiful location is available to all of us. They have closed it in the past because it got out of hand. So let's try to do our best to keep it clean, keep this beautiful spot open, that many different generations to come can enjoy this spot. As you're driving out, make sure if you're driving out at night, there are cattle, open range cattle around here. So do be careful driving these roads at night. The cattle will be out running around on the road. Just enjoy, have fun. We look forward to exploring more spaces with you in Arizona and all over the world, the country. This location is probably one of the most pristine locations I've seen in all of my travels. So you've got to get out there. We'll see you guys. Love ya. Cheers.